Have you ever created something you were proud of? A digital product, an ebook, or a course. But after launching it online, almost nobody bought it. Many creators think the problem is the price or the marketing. But often the real problem is something much simpler. The product may actually be good, but people don't clearly understand why they should buy it. In online business, clarity sells. Confusion almost always kills sales. Many creators try to sound impressive, using complex words that sound professional. But buyers are not looking for impressive words. They're looking for clear results. For example, 40-page ebook about marketing is a feature. But saying, learn how to explain your product so people want to buy it, that's a result. Clear product messaging usually follows a simple structure. Problem. Understanding. Solution. First, show the problem your audience recognizes. Second, explain why that problem happens. Third, show the result people will get when the problem is solved. So after studying what actually makes people buy, I turned those principles into a simple system for creators, a guide called Sell with Words. It explains practical frameworks to help creators communicate their products clearly. Because when people clearly understand your product, buying becomes much easier.